Hello, my name is Alicia and welcome to Her Focus. I just wanted to make this video so that you can see one of my favorite stores that I like to shop and get certain things that are sustainable or either zero waste and just really clean. You can use your own containers from home or buy the store's containers to fill up with things for the house, hygiene, or even your cosmetics. So enjoy the video and let me know what you think in the comment section below.